Burger Motorized head from YC Onion. Welcome back to TakeApart. YC Onion Burger comes in this box. Inside we have a menu with useful stuff and tips card. I don't need that. Next is the spacer adapter from 3/8 to 1/4 plus leather threaded adapter too. USB-A to USB-C cable for powering the head from power bank. And Burger Motorized head itself. This thing weighs 534 grams. It has 1/4 and 3/8 threaded holes on one side, camera control, LED, USB-C and power button on another side. And slot for NPF batteries here. Top side is solid and it has 1/4 stud. And on the bottom side same 1/4, but this is on rotating platform. Link for YC Onion Burger is in description below. Let me show you setting process. Fire up the YC Onion app and also burger head. Click product category, search for burger and start searching. App will detect device and you can start. Set A and B points simply by holding arrows. This has to be done before every use of the burger. Then you click video or time-lapse, in my case video. Here you can see that at 100% speed the move takes 19 seconds. If I switch to 81% it takes 47 seconds to finish the move. Burger will ease in and out if you decide to cycle the move. And also you can see actual position between A and B points. If we move to time-lapse, you will need a cable 2.5mm TRS camera control cable to connect burger with your camera. Its camera needs to take picture when burger stops between the moves. Link for such cable is in description below. This thing can support it all from large setups, medium and small. It just works. Thanks for watching and see you next time.